My name is Michael McCain. I'm the owner here at Lamplight Glass Art, the glassblowing studio at the Greenbrier. I'm just here to have a good time. You know, I love making art. I love making glass and sharing that skill and that joy with anybody who wants to come through. Hot glass is a fluid and it's a material like no other, where the process of making it becomes all-encompassing and it kind of removes you from reality, where all of a sudden you're just encased in this project that has to go from start to finish. And you get to choose from colors, you get to choose from forms, just the open-endedness of it. You know, you can create whatever you want. You're almost only limited by your own imagination, and I like to be able to bring that out in people who have never done it before. I've had several customers just come in and they're like, oh, that's nice, that looks pretty. What's going on over there? I have to know more about it. And they end up staying for a half hour, 45 minutes, just to figure out what it is I'm doing, which is a great feeling. What any guest can expect is that when they walk in, there's some activity, there's some buzz going on as far as the creative process. Generally, I want a guest who signs up for an experience to say, I did almost all of that, and he was just kind of there. And of course, I keep them safe. I make sure that they go through the proper processes. I've got all the safety equipment that students need. People are always excited to try and do the glass blowing experience. Some have had experiences in other places where it's just, oh, here's the glass and now you blow and now you go away. Whereas I like to have people be as involved as possible. Because of that, I want to make that more popular here at the Greenbrier.